Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. In this video, I will talk about ticker symbol FTFT, which is for Future Fintech Groups. Previously, I made few videos on this particular stock, and I think the share price, the price action is showing some strength because we are having red days overall, but for last few days, the share price is staying green for back-to-back 3 days, whereas we are all having red days for other stock and even for all ETFs. So this is a good sign, and I think this is the time again just to introduce the stock again. So in this particular video, I will talk about what is FTFT. I will touch little bit what they do, their price action, some recent news, some support and resistance, and what we are expecting in future. So first of all, just looking at their website, you can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can see all the sign which is for cryptocurrencies, right? So you can go to their website, you can see what they does. I will just quickly go through what they talk about themselves. So Future Fintech is a leading blockchain technology R&D and application company incorporated in Florida. The operation of the company includes a blockchain-based online shopping mall platform, Chain Cloud Mall CCM, an incubator for blockchain-based application projects, a digital payment system Decon, and a cross-border e-commerce platform, Nonogar. The company is also engaged in development of blockchain-based e-commerce technology as well as financial technology. So it's a fintech at the same time cryptocurrency related. So there is a future for this particular company, I believe. Also in their website, you can see their presentation, and I talked about their three things, which is the chain global key shared mall, chain cloud mall CCM, then Decon and Nonogar. You can go to their website if you want, or I can post the link below so you can read their investor presentation. I think it was made in August 2020. And finally, in this website, what I also found that so in that investor presentation, they also talk about their future plans. So the company plans to provide financial service and diversified asset management for professional investors. The short-term goal is to build FTFT as one of the leading financial technology companies in Asia. The company plans to enter the challenger bank and digital payment sector. The company plans to enter into financial service market in Indonesia. And you can go through their entire presentation, and the link will be below. Also, like if you go to Yahoo Finance, just look at some news is coming for next few days. So yesterday they talk about Future Fintech announces framework agreement to purchase Antminer Bitcoin mining machine, which was a really good news because it's all related to Bitcoin. Also, they talked about acquisition frame agreement with some other companies. They also talked about some cooperation relationship with some other technology company. And also, I think 26 days before the news was Future Fintech granted blockchain tech related software copyright from the China National Copyright Administration. So the news came yesterday, which is about purchasing 20,000 Antminer Bitcoin mining machine, which will provide a combined 200 petahash per second hash rate. So that was the news yesterday. The share price moved up, and that's the latest news. I think the one thing I'm still struggling is to see the earning date. Yahoo Finance talks about March 30th to April 6th. I do not know when. If I go to Nasdaq, it does not tell me when. So if you know when is the earning date, please let me know in the comment section. So let's look at the chart now. So I'm showing your daily chart. You can see that the share price was around $2 to $3, then it went all the way to $10, $11, came down, make a U-shaped recovery, again tested $10, again came down, and currently moving sideways. A few things to look about. You see back-to-back 4 green candles on a daily chart, showing that the share is doing really good. The support was around 4.5. The share price came and bounced off that 4.5 many times. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and after that it broke the downward trend, and currently it is staying on the right side or the upper side of that black line. So it has broke its downward movement for now, and also you can see Even though the entire market is red, it is staying green for back-to-back 4 days. So I see some strength definitely for this particular stock. You can see it moves a lot within the same day. Like it can come to like 5.6, then it can go to 6.6. Not bad. So just looking at the chart, I think if the market is green, if Bitcoin is moving, then definitely this thing can go up and retest around $8.5 mark, and definitely it will go to 10 or 11. To me, it will easily go there, 10 to 11. So you can easily double your money if you establish a position around 550 or $5, or even though $6, you can go easily 10, $11. Also set some limit buy order around 4.5 in case the market is red, in case any kind of bad news, any kind of share offering. Definitely grab some share. I think they did a share offering previously, they could offer again, so why not grab the opportunity to buy some FTFT share at a discounted price. So set some limit buy order for 4.5. If it comes, you can grab more share. Otherwise 5.7 looks like a good support to me. We can continue sideways for a few days, then maybe we will push up again. Let's look at a 5-minute candle for last few days, because when I was talking about 4.5 resistance, you can see it came, bounced off, it came, bounced off. It's not like it was moving sideways on a 5-minute candle for a long time, just came and bounced off. That 4.5 line, you see, came and bounced off, and previously 4.5 was a resistance, that it became a good support. So first of all, 4.5 is a very good support, and also it seems like 5.7 is acting as a good support for now. If it broke, it can come again below, so you can always set your limit buy order for 4.5, maybe 5, then 5.7. But in long term, I can see this stock can double easily. You can also play with option, call option. Let me know if you are interested to play with some call option, and then maybe I can respond to you which expiry date and what strike price you could be looking at. Personally, I'm playing with shares. Whenever it is coming down, I'm just deep buying, because my target for this particular stock is like $10. So I see a good opportunity for making some profit. Anyway, my friends, this is a market hour, so I'm not gonna make this video long enough. But if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love to bring you the stocks. They will give us enough profit so that we can all make some money. So anyway, my friends, take care and peace.